Hello again, boys and girls. Nothing dramatic today, but just a simple, how can I say, improvement or maybe mode. I have these lights. It's very simple, blue LEDs. I'm using it for stage lights. Just throw them in a corner somewhere. They're really nice for having a kind of atmosphere, cheap stuff. The point is that this one, I think it's an American plug. That's universal Linksys power supply, 12 volts, 1 amp, something. You see, these guys, they got destroyed so easy. So moving my gears, all the cables and everything, I smashed a few of this. And I'm just thinking, why not having a permanent cable? It's easier to hook it up. It's easier to, to adapt to the stage condition. And so, I'm a one-man band entertainer. So it's very important to be light and easy transport and stuff like that. Let me clean that cable. It's kind of mess. This is recovered, by the way, from different other apparatus destroyed and whatever. Okay, what I'll try to do is to open this, get out all this, and have the wires inside there. Simple, very simple. Let's do that. How can I open this? I'll use some brute force. I'll use the knife. It's ruined anyway, so I successfully break it. But how can we do that? I think I need to use my vise. I think so. I'm going downstairs, hook it into the vise and stretch it, push it, and so on. I'll be back. Okay, before vise, let me try with this guy. Okay. All right, it's very clear. Perfect. That's all? Oh man, very easy. Beautiful. Okay, it's done. I didn't expect that. It was very easy. Just like that. Let me take this out. So here is the input. You see, I don't want to use those connections there. I want to put my own cable. It's exactly what I'm gonna do. But for now, how can I get rid of this? I don't like them. I don't want them. Yeah, I know how. Let's use some heat. There we go. Go out. Perfect. This is out. You too, my friend. This is hot enough. And kind of dentist or what? I intend to have this on the side. And I'm gonna have a dent. We're talking about dentists here. Of course we are. Like this. That's enough. Perfect. Now, very simple. Let me have this out. Oh man, what's happening here? When you're stuck in this situation, you can't melt the solder just apply some fresh one. And you're breaking the oxide layer from the front of the things. I'm starting having a flu. The capacitor is back. And this one should go out too. Okay, let's prepare the cable. Where is that? Oh, down here. I can do that. Instead of having a knot or something, I can use this for stopping the cable. Like this. Perfect. Prime the cable. Perfect. Next to it, the capacitor is in place. Create a bit of soldering, and we are done. Perfect. So, what's the danger? To touch anything inside there. We can use a little bit of tape to be sure that no metallic thingies are getting into the path, power path. Something like this. It's enough? Of course it is. Okay, shall we try? Turn it on. Let's see. Perfect! In the end, the perfect glue plastic. That should be enough. And that's it. And we need a kind of pressure all around here. So I can use some of this rubber stuffs. Good. And here too. That's more than enough. Just let it cure. And we are done. It's a very simple mode, in fact. And I don't care about those adapters anymore. Yeah, a short one today. Thank you for looking. I hope you'll help me with subscribing to my channel. Push the like button, of course. And like usually, thanks to my sponsors. And until the next one, wish you well. And don't forget, have fun. See you. Bye-bye.